One of the common misconceptions about steel production is that it's an old-fashioned, or in some cases thought to be dirty, process. The reality is that modern steel production facilities are very clean, very efficient. They make extensive use of automation and computer control. One result of this is that over the last 25 years or so, the amount of energy that's required to produce a ton of steel has reduced by about 1/3. And at the same time, the level of greenhouse gas emissions to produce that same ton of steel has also reduced by about 1/3.
So if you take a look at steel as a material, there's a number of things that it does tremendously well. First of all, you can have a lot of innovation. You have a lot of different applications and different ways to use the material. It's cost effective. It actually, if you look at speed to occupancy and how fast you can put something together in a building, it's got tremendous advantages. When you're building on the job site, it's a safer material. You tend to have a cleaner work environment.
Steel's not a new material in construction. It's been used for decades, and because of that, it's been through these extreme events that you expect buildings to have, like hurricanes and earthquakes and fires. And steel has proven itself to be the correct solution for those kind of extreme events. In construction, we get to not only innovate with different types of steel, but we can innovate in the construction practices, with the connectivity of the material, and with the way we put it in place in the job site. Beyond that, we can innovate in the way we design the products. If you put all that together, it allows steel to be very cost effective and very adaptable in meeting the solutions that the industry needs.
One of the most obvious things for construction professionals is we have environmental product declarations for nearly every steel construction product available today. So when designers are selecting materials for LEED certified projects or Living Building Challenge certified projects, we have life cycle information for all those products. Steel is an excellent material from a life cycle perspective because it can be recycled over and over again. We can just keep recycling it, melting it down, and making it into new products.
There are very few products in construction that can claim to be 100% recyclable at end of life, like steel is. Any steel product can be recycled when it reaches its end of life. Any steel product can be recycled into any other steel product, so that a steel beam doesn't need to become another steel beam. It can become a refrigerator or a car door.